Alright, this is my review for battery pack from Greentec Auto on my 2012 Prius C 2. Bought this about a year ago. It has 120,000 miles when I bought it. The miles per gallon was about less than 43, 42 maybe. And it had a code for a bad battery pack that needed to be replaced. Did a bunch of research. I just threw the dice and went with Greentec Auto. Gave them a call, talked to the customer service. They were really nice and informative. I went with their, I guess, what is it? Let me look at my notes. 2012-2017 hybrid battery pack with new cells, 36-month warranty. It's a $200 extra charge to get it delivered to your house instead of a work. I did not know that, and I did not realize it signing the small print, or else I could have had it delivered to my job. It was easy to install thanks to YouTube, and I would do it again. Let's take a look at it. Alright, let's take a look. Now when I took the seats out, I kind of don't use the back seat, so I just put this in here to keep the battery safe, keep it cool, and I could put my tools and stuff on here without worrying about anything touching. So here's the battery pack. A little dirty, I should have cleaned it off, huh? Had a small dent in the top there. I guess that's from shipping. Doesn't really affect anything. I don't mind it. Yeah. Real easy to put in. And check the notes. So I kept a list of what my miles per gallon was every day when I went to work, to and from. Changed a lot due to weather and temperature. But I average about 54 miles to the gallon. And there's my receipt from the shipping company. And let's go look at what it says on the dash when I turn it on. It's a good car, I like it. Great gas mileage. It's got some pep when you want to step on it. Oh, the only thing I've done to it, besides some cosmetic stuff, is change out the wheels. They're from a Morris Mini, or BMW Mini, whatever you want to say. They are the stock size. They're just a little bit lighter, so that does affect your gas mileage. Probably makes it a little bit better, but all right. Let's see what it says when I turn it on. So 53.9 is what it's saying. And that's pretty accurate. So I would definitely go with Greentec Auto again. It's got a 3-year warranty. In case anything happens, I can get another pack. If it's less than 3 years, that it doesn't last. And yeah, very happy with it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see other videos, or check out my channel. I'm not sponsored by Greentec Auto. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I don't make any money on my YouTube videos. I just make them to help other people. Thanks for watching.